Brianna, you better include this in your PLT video. Shy and Lilu. Oh, she's mad.
Hello guys, today we have a big PLT haul. I got most of the stuff for my birthday, but it came a little bit late. Wow. It's Christmas. Yeah. Why did they give me 2 pants? Did I accidentally order 2?
Oh my gosh, this is the color I wanted. How did this happen?
Okay, you can have it.
Did you go on my account and hack me?
And then I got these pants, and then I anticipated getting the top because I don't really have purple clothes like that. But where is it? I don't know. It's up my ass apparently. I got this pink one, which I think the pink one was supposed to be the purple of that. Because why would I get a pink PL? I mean, this is cute. I'm gonna keep it. But like, why are they scamming me? Like, this is like a quarter zip thing. And then I got this set, the off-white set. Oh yeah, this is like a onesie. Because I was like, oh, I might
Like a what?
So this is the first set.
A picture will be inserted of her wearing it, or a video.
So this is what they accidentally.
Someone, I don't know who, hacked her cart.
I'm tight. They were not supposed to give me 2 because I double checked. Damn, this is tiny. Look at how skinny it is.
It probably stretches OD.
It better stretch.
It probably does because that's cute.
I don't know when I would ever wear this though, but it's giving body BBLs. I like the quarter zip that we have for cheer. Yeah.
I want. How much is it? Like 30?
Yeah, like 20 something, like basically 30. Super cute. And it's like comfy, so. I meant to get these, and I also meant to get the purple matching.
Oh, but
like, I don't think my butt is gonna fit in that. What? Shit gonna be saggy. My butt is not that big, my boy. And they sent me this hoodie that I don't recall ordering, but it says Prettylittlething, because you know I'm a pretty little thing. This is the sweats with the hoodie it came with. I probably wouldn't wear them together, but like you can see they're pretty oversized. They're mad cute. The hoodie is nice. I don't think I have any hoodie in this color, so that's nice. But it's not what I ordered. So this is Pretty Little Thing in white on this one. Pretty Little Thing. For the bodysuit, it says Pretty Little Thing in black. I don't recall it's supposed to be saying it in black. So, off-white. Am I giving kitty booty little body?
So let's see who is in the wrong here. Definitely PLT.
Because it can't be me. I couldn't have made this many mistakes. I should have known when they didn't even show me my order here. I had to go to my email. Look at this. White logo. I don't know if you see that right there, but it does say white logo for that. You see the sweatpants that they gave me double up? They were supposed to give me that thing up. The
bodysuit, yeah.
The bodysuit. Ah! And would you look at that?
Bro, how they mess up your entire order?
Oh, it says hot pink. Bruh. This is...
Bruh.
Okay.
Okay, wait, read that one then. Mocha logo.
Because why would you put the sweatpants with this photo? Like, now you're playing dumb.